Um, Hi everyone, this is Charu from St. Francis College, Brooklyn, New York, and I am in the course of Masters in IT. Today I'm here to discuss about the introduction to global IT outsourcing. The main agenda of my this presentation is to discuss about the global IT outsourcing. And in this presentation, firstly, I will discuss about the introduction to global IT outsourcing, and then I will forward to the key benefits and the drawbacks of the global IT outsourcing, and then I will take an example of a selected company in which global IT outsourcing is can be used, and then I will talk about the analysis and hence the summary of my presentation. So I'm starting my presentation here. The first is, what is global IT outsourcing? The first thing is like, what's the main topic is, what the topic says. The global IT outsourcing may is the practice of hiring IT service providers from different countries to handle technology related tasks. Like, there are so many peoples who came from so many countries, and they are the IT service providers. They provide some IT services, and they are hired for a number of related tasks. Like, if I'm here, I am hired as a tester, somebody here as a debugger, and many more. This is the main what is the global IT outsourcing means. So, moving forward, I will talk about the types of outsourcing. There are three types of outsourcing: the offshore outsourcing, the nearshore outsourcing, and the onshore outsourcing. Now, I will talk about the offshore. The outsourcing services to a company in a distant country, like Apple's partnership with Foxconn in China, like a distant country. In this, the offshore outsourcing is just for the distant countries. The nearshore is just for the nearby countries, and the onshore means within the same country, like the word says. Now, the commonly outsourced IT functions, like what IT functions and what the service providers can do for like the company. So, there are so many commonly outsourced IT functions like coding, testing, help desk services, troubleshooting, cybersecurity management, cloud infrastructures, and many more. Moving forward, I will talk about the key benefits of global IT outsourcing. First and the main is cost saving and efficiency. Outsourcing provide cost advantages due to cheaper labor in different countries. The another one is labor arbitrage. Companies can hire highly skilled workers at lower wages than in their home countries. The another one is access to cutting edge technology. By outsourcing IT functions, companies can tap into the latest technologies and specialized skill sets without investing heavily in training or R&D. Flexibility in skilling resources. Companies can quickly scale operations up or down as needed without the long term commitment of hiring full time employees. The last is the improved focus on core business areas. By offloading non core activities like infrastructure or maintenance, companies can focus on their main product and the services. These are the main benefits of the global IT outsourcing, like the cost saving, the labor arbitrage, the access to cutting edge, the flexibility in the scaling resources, and the improved focus on core business areas. Moving forward, we will talk about the drawbacks of the global IT outsourcing. They are the drawbacks also. The something which has the benefits also have the drawbacks. So the first drawback is like the communication barriers. Time zone differences can slow down decision making project and timelines and updates. Language difference may cause confusions, misunderstanding, and mistakes in works as like usual. Because if we are in America and we are from India or we are from another country, there may be misunderstandings, confusions, because sometimes we can't understand what the other one is going to say. And another one is the loss of control. Companies can lose control over the processes they outsource, which may impact property, customer service, and speed. It may also create challenges in maintaining stable work culture and brand image. Then another one is security and confidentiality issues. This is the main issue which happens with everything around us. Like we are using the phone, like we are using the banking, etc., etc. We all have the security issues, like maybe someone will steal our data and they can use it, blah blah blah. So if I talk about the security and confidentiality issues, sensitive data shared with third party vendors can be exposed to cyber threats and breaches. Regulatory compliance like GDPR for data protection in Europe can become more difficult with offshore outsourcing. The last topic is cultural differences. Differences in work culture, expectations, and management styles can affect collaborations and project outcomes. Moving forward, now I will take an example of a company. I will focus on a company for my global IT outsourcing. So, I have taken the example of company Apple. Apple Global Supply Chain. Apple outsources a significant portion of its manufacturing to firms like Foxconn and Pegatron in China and Taiwan. In terms of IT services, Apple partners with vendors like Infosys and Tata Consultancy Services like TCS to manage certain backend systems and system software developments. The another one is like the IT strategy. Apple's in-house teams focus on product design, user interface, software development, iOS, macOS, and security outsourcing. Allows Apple to focus on innovation in core areas like B&D hardware and software integration and user experience. The role of outsourcing in Apple's global expansion. Outsourcing helps Apple expand its reach into emerging markets, maintain competitive prices, and manage its vast distribution network. The another one is how outsourcing impact Apple's IT strategy. So the first is like the cost efficiency and the scalability. Apple saves um sorry Apple saves on manufacturing costs by outsourcing to companies like Foxconn while being able to scale production as demand for iPhone, Macs, and other device rises. Focus on core competencies by outsourcing certain IT operations. Apple can focus on software integration, security, and hardware innovation uh, to remain ahead in the competitive tech market. The another one is supply chain and IT coordination. Apple strategies to maintain its global supply chain and IT operations. Another is flexibility in innovation. Apple model give its engineering team the flexibility to experiment, innovate without worrying about the operational aspects like manufacturing or infrastructure. Outsourcing plays a critical role in helping Apple balance cost and innovation. While it outsources manufacturing, it ensures tight control over its core competencies, product design, and software security. The additional insight. Now, I will talk about the additional insight. Sorry about that. The additional insights. There are two additional insights the mainly we talk about the hybrid approach and the vendor risk management. In the hybrid approach, the Apple uses hybrid approach that combines outsourcing with in-house expertise, ensuring that mission critical components like design, product quality, and innovation remain within the company. The vendor risk management, Apple mitigates risk through rigorous vendor management practices and by maintaining a diversified set of partners. For example, Foxconn handles assembly. Apple works with multiple suppliers to prevent over-reliance on any one vendor. Now I will talk about the references. You can search about this from the Apple INC 2023 annual report, Gartner 2022, the state of IT outsourcing in many companies. The another reference is McKinsey and Company, 2022, how global the companies benefit from IT outsourcing. They all generally talk about the global IT outsourcing, and then another is Harvard Business Review 2021, Managing Outsourcing Risks and Rewards in Global Business. So, if I come to my conclusion, in conclusion, global IT outsourcing offers, I'm sorry, in conclusion, global IT outsourcing offers numerous benefits, including cost saving, access to specialized skills, and increasing flexibility. However, it also presents challenges such as managed communication barriers, loss of control, and security risks. Apple's IT strategy effectively leverages outsourcing to drive innovation and efficiency while maintaining control over core competencies like product design and software development. By adopting a hybrid approach, Apple balances the benefits of outsourcing with the need for in house expertise, ultimately enhancing its global competitiveness. Um, the if I talk about the summary, this presentation explores the benefits, the drawbacks of global IT outsourcing, and analyze Apple's IT strategy. Key points included the benefits of global IT outsourcing. The benefits includes the cost saving, access to specialized skills, and the flexibility. The drawbacks includes the communication barriers, the loss of control, and the security risks. The Apple IT strategy, a hybrid approach combining outsourcing with in-house expertise. The impact of outsourcing on Apple's IT strategy, driving innovation, efficiency, and global competitiveness. Thank you and have a good night.